Hey guys, Jay here from Vision Miner, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to hot swap the Hotend on a 22 IDEX. A couple of things you're going to need is 2.0 millimeter hex wrench and also a wire cutter. Okay, so now that I have my right head right in the middle here, I'm going to go ahead and remove this zip ties over here. I'm going to cut them off. Okay, let's cut off. I'm going to go ahead and remove this fan shroud with the fan. You don't have to remove it in order to change the Hotend, but I want to take it out so you guys can see it. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Okay, take that off. And I'm going to use my 1.5 millimeter to poke on this terminal block. Be careful, you want to hold the back of this bracket because it is made out of aluminum. If you push it through, it might bend it back, so hold it. Okay, and you poke it through and pull the wire out. Really simple. Just like that. And now your fan is free. Good to go. All right, and down here to remove the Hotend, it's really just one screw right there. You see the black screw, okay? 2 millimeter. Hex wrench going in there. Loosen that, don't have to take it off all the way. Okay, and on the other side, there is a sensor wire. This is used for your X and Y calibration. So take that off. Okay, now that's loose. Okay, and the only thing that's holding on this whole entire assembly is these wires over here up top. So I'll go ahead and remove those. The two top one will be the heating or the heater cartridge. That one. That's the heater, and the two bottom ones are thermistor. Take those off. Okay. And that's it. That's the whole entire assembly. And to put it back on, just reverse everything. Here, go back. And you can tighten it with a 2 millimeter. Like so. Since the wire goes on the other side. Get that nice and tight in there. All right. Okay. And then I like to start from the bottom. So thermistor, first one. Second one, and then the heater. That's it, really. And then that's how you hot swap the Hotend on the 22 IDEX. Right, cooling fan back on there, and then I'll connect them to the terminal block here. Black wire on the bottom, and positive on the very top. And that's how easy it is to change the Hotend on your 22 IDEX. For more helpful video, please check out our video at docs.visionminer.com. Thank you again for watching.